ebanghelyo na narinig natin. Yan po ang atraksyon na nakikita natin na kapag pinapahayag ang ebanghelyo, ang tao ay nahahalinang lumapit dahil sa mga pakinabang na benepisyo. The gospel that will address financial bankruptcy, that you need the gospel in order to have a financial stability if you just accept and believe Jesus Christ. Or di kaya the gospel that is built on emotion. They will manipulate your emotion to elicit emotional response. I am sad, I am lonely, Jesus came to me, now I'm happy. These are the modern concept of shallow and another different kind of gospel. Pero ang ebanghelyo po ng banal na kasulatan, if we will really study and be serious about understanding what is